Standard Time. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for south central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Willowbrook, or near Jersey Village, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Tomball, Spring, the Woodlands, Hurricane Harbor, Splashtown, and Hooks Airport around 1:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Oak Ridge North around 1:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Shenandoah, Chateau Woods, and the Woodlands Pavilion around 1:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Porter Heights around 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Woodlook around 2:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not